Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the AI style trend videos on TikTok. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok, so this is the trending effect which is going around on TikTok, where users are using the effect AI style to turn them into a sci-fi character. So let me show you how to create these kind of videos on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search at the top right and you're searching for AI style. Now in the search results, you're looking for the AI style effect, which looks like this. This is how it looks like. Now to use this effect, you can go ahead and tap on use this effect at the bottom. This will take you into the TikTok's recording screen. Now from here, you can go ahead and tap on your screen to change yourself into an AI character, or you can use this bar here to select a photo from your phone library. So for now, I'll just tap on the screen to select myself. Now I'll tap on the record button, and when I'm ready, I'll go ahead and tap on the screen. This will now start to process my image and will turn me into an AI character. And there you go, it has created me the AI style trend video on TikTok. Now I can go ahead and add my sound, effects, any text and stickers, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create the AI style trend video on TikTok. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.